Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to convert Canva website design to Wix. So the first thing that we are going to do is to open two tabs. So the first tab is my Wix account, and for the second tab is my Canva account. So right here, what we're going to do is we can create new site. So we have Studio Template or Studio Blank Canva, or we can choose to create or select our existing site. Okay, so let me just look for a site that I'll be using and then upload my website from Canva. Okay, so I think this one is better. And then after selecting your website, we are going to add a new section for our Canva website. So to add a new section, you just have to simply click on this one, and then you'd be able to see an add section option below this first section right here. Okay, so let me just click on it. Then right here, when you click on it, we have the add section option. So simply click on this one. Then you can change the color for this section. What we're going to do here is we can also add a section from the elements. Just go to the add elements and then select your section template. So let me just change the color for this one before I convert my Canva design to Wix Studio. So I think this one is better. Now let's go to our Canva account. So right here, first thing that you should do is to make sure that you have logged in to your Canva account, and then click on the create a design option at the top left. That's right, and then using the search bar, you just have to type out website. Okay, and then select the first one. That's right. Next thing that you should do is to design your website. Okay, so if you already have your Canva website, of course you can skip this part. So right here at the left side, you'll be able to see different sections: templates, layouts, and styles. So we have to click on templates, and then as you can see, there are templates that has a crown icon, means it is pro. So you have to upgrade your account to a pro plan in order for you to use that template. Okay, so don't worry, because there are free templates here on Canva. So you just have to find a free template that you can use for your website. So after selecting the template, you just have to click on apply all pages. But for this video, I'm just going to use 2 pages. Okay, so I think this one is for page 2, and for my page 1, I think I'll be using the other one. Okay, so what you're going to do here is to customize your template. Of course, we are going to change the images, the tags, the colors, and everything that you need to work on. So we have here brand, uploads, we can add tags, elements, and more. So for this first image, I'm going to put it right here. Okay, and then for the second one is this one, and then for the last image is this one. Next, I'm going to change the tags at the top. So for example, sunsets. Okay, so don't worry, because if you wish to change the color of the backgrounds as well as the text styles, the color of the text, you can do that. Okay, so I'm going to remove this text below the images. Okay, so this one as well. Then here I'm going to add a new set of images. Okay, so I think I'm going to use this one, and then this one. Okay, and then for the last image is this one. Next, that you have successfully designed your website on Canva, just click on publish website at the top right. Okay, and then what you're going to do next is to make sure that you have checked this box for size and mobile. That's right, and then you have to add your website URL right here. Okay, so this one is required, so you cannot publish your website if you are not going to create a website URL. Okay, so after that, just click on publish website. Now just wait for a couple of seconds while they are preparing your design. So we have successfully published our Canva website. Next thing that we are going to do is to embed the code of this website to our Wix Studio. But before that, of course, we are going to go back to Wix, and then right here we are going to make sure that the section is clean. So just click on this plus icon at the top left, and then go to the embed and social. Then here we have the embed code option, embed size, custom element, and more. So just click on the embed code and then click on this plus icon. That's right. So you just have to place it right here. And then after that, just go back to your Canva website. Okay, so let's go back to Canva. Then here, just click on the share option at the top right. Okay, and then right here, make sure that your website is live. So we can click on this one to check it. And then at the top right, you'd be able to see the live indication. Okay, so let's go back. Click on share and then click on the three dots to see all of the options and then click on embed. That's right. Here, just have to embed your design. Then we have here now the HTML embed code. So we just have to copy this one. Then go back to Wix. So we have added 3 sections. We're going to delete the 2. Here, just click on enter code. Select code. And then we have to erase or remove this default text inside the box. So this one. Click on delete and then paste it right here. Now you just have to click on update. Then just wait for a couple of seconds and you'll be able to see here now your website from Canva. Next thing that you should do is to arrange it or place it accordingly. Then of course we have to resize this one. So you just have to go to the edge or to the corner or click on the expand icon. So I'm just going to resize it manually. Okay, so this one right here. And then the next thing that you can do is to preview this one. So just click on preview in editor. Okay, so as you can see, when someone visits our website and they'll be able to see this one right here, you just have to click on it and then click on the expand button. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.